Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. I am going away this weekend for my nephew's 6th birthday and I really wanted to do a set nail design for myself. We're going away for like 3 days. So yeah, they are looking pretty bad. They're looking pretty hurt. So that's what this video is going to be. Me doing my nails. So this is what my nails are currently looking like. They're looking pretty rough. I did remove the previous set before, so they're technically already prepped. I think I'm gonna go in with a ball cuticle bit. So I'm gonna go in with the ball cuticle bit, and I'm just gonna go around the cuticle, just removing any kind of dead skin and really just trying to clean up that section just to prepare it. I am going to use full cover tips for this design, and I am gonna do both, but I am only gonna show you guys one hand obviously. But yeah, if you guys hear the AC in the background, it is like freaking 100 degrees. It is so freaking hot. So I apologize. I didn't even want to turn my lights. That's why my lights on. That's why my background looks like this. But yeah, so we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna go ahead really quick and just clean off the dust, removing using my nail cleanser, just preparing it. So I did cheat and put out all of these sizes that I'm going to be using. These are full cover tips. I did get this from a manufacturer, so I don't have a name for it. So these are samples technically, but I've already sized them out. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm actually gonna etch the inside. For this, I am using my ball bit again, and I'm just gonna go on the inside and just etch it a little bit, just so it has a rough inner surface, so they won't pop out. I'm just gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna take out my little lamp. I'm gonna go in with dehydrator, and I'm going to start dehydrating my nail plates. This is going to dissolve any kind of oils that I may have left behind. I'm gonna go in with my rubber base gel, and with this I'm just gonna go ahead and take a small amount and lay it on the inside of the tip. Take a little bit more, and then I'm gonna flip it and put it under the lamp, and I'm just gonna hold it there for a few seconds and it should be stuck on. I kind of feel like I should have added some of that rubber base gel to the entire surface of the nails first, then cured, but I'm doing it like this and we'll see how long it lasts. I'm actually gonna do the rest the same way, and I am doing both hands, so I'll be back. And this is what they look like. So cute. All right, so from here I'm gonna go in with my nail file. This is a 180 grit nail file. This is from, I think it's from Amazon. This is from Amazon. I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to start filing these sidewalls. I'm just sharpening it up. I am gonna go over the surface as well, and just to roughen up the surface. I am going to do this across all of the nails as well. I am also paying attention to around that cuticle section, making sure I don't have any kind of glue stuck up on my skin. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to cleanse that again really quick. So I want these nails to be a baby boomer. So I am taking out my milky white hard gel. And I'm actually going to just add a little bit to the tip portion. I'm using the number 6 brush as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit to this bottom half. And then I'll do a thin layer, and then I'm just going to cure that into place. But I am going to do the same thing across all of the nails. actually did a quick flash cure for at least 15 seconds before moving on to the next nail. From there, I'm going to go in with my Simply Pink Hard Gel. And with this, I'm going to go ahead. I am going to take it towards the top up on that cuticle and then float it down. And this is going to create that baby boomer effect. And I am so excited about this. I think it's going to look so freaking cute. But I am adding a little bit. I'm not adding it too much because I am going to go in with some clear and like encapsulate. So I just want it there specifically for the color. But I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to float that down, cure it, and then move on to the next nail. Doing both hands is a freaking bummer. It's taking me so long right now. Ugh, I hate doing both hands. I'm actually gonna go ahead with my nail cleanser and just pump a little, pump like 2 pumps and just cleanse my nails really quick. Because we're gonna go into filing. I'm gonna go on these side walls. I'm gonna go around the free edge again over the surface just to give it a little shape. I'm not doing this too much because we are gonna go ahead and encapsulate. So this is just a quick 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I probably shouldn't even do this. I don't know. I'm already doing it, so we're just gonna keep going. So this is what they are looking like. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to take this fine white iridescent glitter, gorgeous from Set's Nail Coat glitter. And I've used this before. Y'all seen me use this before. I'm also gonna go ahead. I'm going to take this glitter called Fine Champagne, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add a very thin layer of clear builder gel, and then I'm gonna take some of that glitter and kind of like tap it into place. I think it's gonna look really cute. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add a thin layer of clear builder gel to all of the nails, and then you're gonna see me add some of that glitter. Let me do the clear first. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm going to take this little brush. This is actually an e.l.f. Brush. I mention it all the time. This is probably one of my favorite brushes from e.l.f. I'm just gonna tap that champagne color first into that clear gel, and then I'm gonna take that fine iridescent color and keep tapping that in, almost fading it upwards to cover the whites. I'm not gonna cover the pink. I'm just gonna go halfway up. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah, so we're gonna keep doing that. Once I like it, I think I'm gonna cure that into place. That's pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just encapsulate this. I'm gonna do a very thin layer of clear builder gel just because of that glitter. And then yeah, I will just want to encapsulate. I'm doing very thin. I don't want to have to reshape everything. all over again. So it's going to be a super thin layer of clear builder gel, and then I'm just going to cure that. Okay, I'm just actually gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start filing, not even filing, buffing, I'm sorry, these over. I did remove the sticky layer first, but I'm just gonna go in right now and just buff over it just to smooth it out a little bit. Oh, these are so pretty. I am loving how they're looking so far. Y'all, I am whipping out so many crystals for this design. Y'all gonna be like, what the F? So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to take the fuchsia bling box. I'm going to take the light rose and tanzanite bling box. Taking out the AB crystal bling box, as well as the aurora bling box. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to start laying out my builder gel, my no wipe rhinestone gel. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna add a very thin layer, and I'm gonna focus mainly on the ring and the middle nail. And I want a multicolored, I want to say like a frame. So obviously I'm gonna speed this process up because y'all be here all day me trying to figure out what I want to put where. But you're gonna see I'm gonna actually add, because I already had this design planned out in my head. I seen actually an image like this on Pinterest that was similar to what I'm doing. It's just gonna come out really cute. It's easier to show you than explain what I'm doing. So yeah. For the other ones, I think I'm just going to focus around the cuticle using one stone and framing these sides. I think that'll come out really cute as well. Okay, final step. I'm going to go in with the shiny no wipe top coat and top coat these babies. I don't need to top coat the middle and the ring because that has the no wipe gel. But the other I'm going to top coat, and then I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. Y'all, and this is what they look like. You guys, tell me what you think. I am loving it. Okay, so it was easy, but it was long because I had to do both hands. It was like torture for me, but y'all, it was so worth it. Look at how pretty they look. I love them. Let me know what you guys think. I really like them. I don't even know what to tell you. I just really like them. I love all the multi stones as well. All of these stones, the bling gel, the builder gel, you can find on the website. You can find everything on the website except for the full cover tips and the actual glitter. Glitter is from Lissette Cruz. Full cover tips is from a manufacturer. I think Not Polished has something similar to these. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my god, it's getting dark outside. What the hell? I wasn't here for that long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to my channel. I am launching new products really soon, which I am super excited about. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys. I'll probably do a little sneak peek on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead to my Instagram account. It's LissetteSGelNails and follow me there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.